Shibanta ban kentiu yakin nas ke balatrei baru ban penjanai shushu yak jingtip jingnang halor kirukam sumarpang boper nakabanta kinos ki balatrei haki hospital boper jong katem riboh district nakaliang ka kunhun jong ka continuing nursing education sel riboh district manta kasngi kala pelong ya ka workshop lane ka program a jingnang jingtip kaba arsngi nakabanta kinong trainos ya ka bala pelong ru hapo ka conference hall jong ka Bethany Outreach Hospital nongpo yakane ka program bala pelong da ka CNE sel riboh district kaderu kasin ka benkong bakum kinos ki bala trei haki jaka sumar boper kinyolat banyo iki jingnang jingtip yak bala la ban pelong hakane ka district la pai khmat kerpang halor ka phang preng ka balabu ka jingkot jingkya jong kalong kumi baru ki khulung khna lane ka maternal and child health ka CNE ka de ka weina ka kunhun trekam ka bala khmi de kinong trainers ki bala pendap iki jing puli badru bantrei hagi jaka sumar boper ki badon ru ya ka jing angnut ban kentiu ya kinos baru ban penjanai ya ka jing nang jingtep katkum ka juk bamenta haka baide bat ka jing sumar pang bat kiwe hakane ka sngi lawan ban pli ya kane ka workshop dau Dr. John L. Silo director ka Bethany Outreach Hospital kakong di nyota organizing coordinator CNE cell nursing superintendent ka civil hospital nongpo oba W Kharsentiu nursing tutor ka Ganesh Das Hospital Shillong ka sister Siam nursing superior Bethany Hospital nongpo ka Dr. B Warba gynecologist jong ka civil hospital nongpo bat ya ka program la penyat da ka kong lawan suk nongrum staff nurse ka nongpo civil hospital lai simentalang hakani ka workshop ka banne arsngi kenti da ki nurse ki balatrei haki hospital boper jong ka riboh district ki balayo ru ya ki jing mentoi lengba ki jingnang jingtip halor kirukom sumarpang khamtam hakabai dei bat ka kot ka khya jong kolong kmi bat ki khulung khna
or continuing nursing education refers to especially for nursing professionals to equip themselves with the knowledge, skills, practices, especially for the upliftment of nursing profession. It works towards the upliftment of nursing profession, giving privileges to all the registered nurses to equip themselves with the updated knowledge. On behalf of all the members, I take pride to announce that we have formed our own CNE cell, giving privileges to all the registered nurses in Riboy district to actively participate in these kinds of educational programs. I guess this is good news for everyone, right?
Nurses Week theme, which I remember I had spoken in the gathering. The theme of that year, 2019, was a voice to lead, health for all. And I'm sure that this is a very, very pertinent question, very relevant one. The theme of last year's Nursing Week, in fact this year, this is Nursing Week, is something which is an outflow of that theme, and that is why on this occasion we have the manifestation of that theme, where first you have this CNE, which exclusively is Riboy. And I'm so proud of being one of the members in this area and to host, in fact, Mother, you put me as chief guest, but I should be the host actually. Nevertheless, I thank you for that honor. I am moved, number one, by the somewhat, I would say, deficiencies, but moved by the confrontations of challenges that are in this space, which is very, very exceptional. And the longer we stay here, the longer we associate, we realize that we've got so much of challenge ahead of us. And that challenge, it is not only the private sector or in the public sector. It is a joint, collaborative, working together to achieve what is that challenge that poses ahead of us. We cannot go on saying they don't belong to a private hospital, other hospital. No. I'm sure that the challenge is contributory and it has a cohesiveness, it has a challenge that is to be faced by each and every one of us equally, wherever we are, wherever we are. Be it in the mission, or be it wherever it is. Now, I must really congratulate the organizers of the Repoint Continuing Education for holding this first time event in this place. And I'm sure through such kind of interactions, through deliberations, through the contributions of the many reputed faculties and resource persons, this CNE program, the Continuing Nursing Education, will be a success, not for one day, but for days to come, and a permanent success where you contribute more and more at every event that you have like this, so that our district at this place will improve and will gather strength as we serve the people. I want to, little bit, I would like to talk about a particular point which is touched me a lot. We had planted ourselves at this place, Bethany Hospital Outreach, in the year 2014, August. And 2014, well, there were lots of ups and downs. There's always some ups and downs. So for the last 4 years, or running 5th year, we are here. And we face a lot of multiple challenges. But as we go to get on and on, as we go in days, as we progress, we find that, even a small little contribution that we can give a very immense gratifying results. The reason is, if we all know, today our theme is going to be maternal and child, maternal mortality, morbidity, infant mortality, infant morbidity, and so much. We were faced, in fact we are still facing, I'm sure every one of us are facing, is the want, the need for educating the people. Now, government has taken a lot of steps to help, to tell people that no institutionalized care is important, because all of you are trained with that. We have a gynecologist here sitting, obstetrician sitting here, and we know, the government knows, so she's trying to level best to sort of wing these people so that they come to an institutionalized care. But many times it is the simplicity or the ignorance of the people where maternal child mortality may be still very, very difficult to achieve. I remember one episode when we watched it some years ago. A woman was brought to the emergency. She never knew that she had a twin pregnancy. So she gave birth to the first one, and they didn't know what to do. And they have been under the treatment of somebody, not the doctor, of course, but the system gives chances for a lot of, shortfalls. Then the baby was dead, and it was lying on a gully bank, and they were brought to the emergency.